the mischievous monkey and the lost shoe. One sunny day in the village, Timmy, a cheerful boy, went to play by the river. He wore his favorite red shoes, shiny and new. While splashing in the water, a naughty monkey named Milo swung down from a tree. Milo loved shiny things. He grabbed Timmy's shoe and ran off. Chattering loudly, Timmy chased Milo through the jungle, laughing as the monkey leaped from branch to branch. "Give me my shoe!" Timmy shouted. Milo, being cheeky, tossed the shoe into a bush and hid. Timmy searched everywhere, giggling at the silly game. Finally, he spotted the shoe stuck in a prickly bush. Using a stick, Timmy carefully pulled it out, but Milo jumped out, startling him. Timmy fell backward, landing in soft mud. He burst out laughing, covered in mud. Milo, feeling a bit sorry, dropped a banana near Timmy as a peace offering. Timmy forgave the monkey, ate the banana, and headed home. One shoe muddy, but his heart full of fun. That evening, Timmy told his friends about Milo's mischief, and they all laughed, planning to watch out for that sneaky monkey next time.